Welcome to Think Money with Marie. I'm going to tell you about affiliate marketing. It's a way for websites to monetize the traffic they get. The affiliate marketer earns a commission. The merchant benefits from having their product advertised on multiple sites. Affiliate networks are companies that serve as the intermediary between affiliates and merchants, while also building and maintaining relationships with merchants and handling all payments to affiliates. Affiliate marketing is a way for websites to monetize the traffic they get. Affiliate marketing is a way for websites to monetize the traffic they get. You may have heard of affiliate marketing before, but in case you haven't, it's simply a way for affiliates, i.e., website owners, to earn money from their online efforts. But how does it work? The affiliate marketer earns a commission. The affiliate marketer gets a commission for every sale they make. The percentage of commission varies from 2% to 8% and is determined by the price of the product or service that they are promoting. This means that if you promote something as inexpensive as a $1 ebook, you will only earn 2%. However, if you promote something more expensive like a $500 course on sales training materials, then your commission can be up to 10%, sometimes more. Once an affiliate marketer has made their sale, he or she gets paid after the customer completes their transaction with that merchant. It's all in numbers and reach, meaning if you create content online such as a blog, online course, videos and/or social media posts, you have a greater chance of making some pretty impressive income every month. The merchant benefits from having their product advertised on multiple sites. The merchant benefits from having their product advertised on multiple sites. The merchant can get more traffic to their website through the increased exposure of affiliate links, which can lead to more sales and brand recognition. Some merchants have even reported an increase in repeat customers by using affiliates to advertise their products. Affiliate networks are companies that serve as the intermediary between affiliates and merchants. Affiliate networks are companies that serve as the intermediary between affiliates and merchants. They build and maintain relationships with merchants, handle payments to affiliates, provide tracking and reporting services, and take on responsibility for paying out affiliates. Affiliate networks build and maintain relationships with merchants and handle all payments to affiliates. Affiliate networks act as the intermediary between affiliates and merchants. They build and maintain relationships with merchants and handle all payments to affiliates. Affiliate networks provide tracking, reporting, and other support services to their affiliates. The affiliate network provides tracking and reporting services, as well as responsibility for paying out affiliates. The affiliate network provides tracking and reporting services, as well as responsibility for paying out affiliates. The affiliate management system is used by the affiliate network to manage affiliates and their transactions. These tools allow you to set up an account with your brand, create campaigns to promote your products or services, monitor performance and commissions on a real-time basis, pay out commissions according to agreed terms, track sales made through your affiliates' websites or other promotional channels such as emails and social media posts, basically anything that involves a transaction between you and one of your affiliates. Some popular affiliate networks are Commission Junction and ShareSale. You can find a ton of affiliate networks online. Some popular ones include Commission Junction, ShareSale and Affiliate Window. But if you're not sure which one is best for your business, here's a quick guide to help you decide. Commission Junction, also known as CJ, is the largest affiliate network in the world by far. That means it has more brands available than any other network on this list, but it also means that these merchants have higher minimums, the lowest payment threshold required to join their program. ShareSale offers a wide range of affiliate programs across all categories and industries, and unlike many other networks, they offer international merchants the ability to sell their goods abroad through their platform. There are good opportunities to make money using your website to help sell other people's products or services. When you're looking to earn a steady passive income, affiliate marketing is a great way to go. Affiliate marketers are often able to make money, without the need for employees or an office space. They simply create their own website and then promote products or services from other websites that they find interesting and relevant. If a visitor clicks through from your website and buys something from the merchant's site, you get paid. This type of business model has been around since the beginning of time, since before there even was such a thing as the internet. However, it wasn't until recently that it gained momentum, thanks largely in part due to affiliate networks like Commission Junction, CJ, Share Saleh and ClickBank, which act as middlemen between merchants and affiliates by providing them with toolsets necessary for running successful campaigns online. Things like tracking software so that both parties can monitor their success, payment gateways so they can receive payments quickly, email marketing automation software, etc. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you want to get started with affiliate marketing right away, I recommend signing up for an affiliate network like Commission Junction or ShareSale. Links in description. They have great resources for beginners and experienced affiliates alike.